Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make Google Chrome your default browser on Android. So if you have an Android phone and now you want to make Google Chrome your default browser, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to make Google Chrome your default browser on your Android phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Android phone. So go ahead and open the settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on apps. Now, once you selected apps, select Show Default App where you say Show Default Apps. Then this is going to show all your default applications on your Android phone. Now, to set Chrome or Google Chrome as your default browser, click on Browser app. And here, go ahead and select Google Chrome. Once you selected Google Chrome, then you can now hit the back button. Now, whenever you want to open an external link on your Android phone without opening Google Chrome, this is going to open Google Chrome automatically, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to make Google Chrome your default browser on Android. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.